Hey guys, it's G and welcome back to my channel. This video has been something that I've been wanting to film now. I'm probably going to go as far as saying over a year now. I've been dying to film a fragrance collection for so long. I'm obsessed with smelling good and I'm a little bit obsessed with collecting fragrances. Years ago, I didn't care less, and now I am an absolute fragrance addict. Like, genuinely, when I go Selfridges, all I want to do is spend my money on fragrances. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but never did I think that that's all I wanted to spend my money on. Now, this collection is made up of things that I've bought myself. I am just gonna disclaim that the KAYALI ones, I am really lucky and incredibly grateful that I am on KAYALI's PR list. So every time she releases new fragrances, I basically get sent them for free, which is insane. It is genuinely one of my dreams. Like, that is every girl's dream, to be sent perfume. So I am on her PR list and literally don't know how, and I'm still so grateful that I have an opportunity like this where I get sent fragrances. So there will be a lot of KAYALI in here, but I only keep the ones that I genuinely love, and then the ones that I don't like, I give them to family and friends. There is a mix in here, you know, more bougie ones. I do like to spend quite a bit of money on fragrances. I know that's not for everyone, but I genuinely love spending a bit more coin on fragrances because they last me longer. And yeah, I just kind of, I don't know, I just love spending money on my fragrances more than like a typical bag or something. But also don't forget there are so many different dupes out there. I know that Zara sells some of the most incredible bougie, like, designer perfume dupes. So if you ever want a dupe of something really expensive, then I definitely recommend going into Zara, because Zara really do rip off the really expensive fragrances like Baracrat. I'm pretty sure they probably ripped off PENHALIGONS. All of them kind of high-end ones, they rip off really well. I will try and leave some dupes down below, or like pop them on the screen if I do find a dupe. I feel like this is going to be something that fragrance lovers are gonna love. This video, I hope you enjoy. I'm so excited to show you guys this collection. It is a forever growing collection, and I probably will update you guys maybe like next year or the year after once I buy some more. I definitely have a wish list, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I have a wish list of fragrances I want to buy every year because that's where my heart is, honestly. I'm actually going to stop chatting now. I hope you all have a lovely day, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'd love to know in the comments what your go-to fragrances are, because I'm obsessed with trying different ones and different scents. I feel like it's so interesting of what other people love. So let me in the comments your go-to fragrances and whether you like the more feminine ones, the unisex ones, a bit like me. Without any further ado, let's get on into this vid. Alright, so that is everything for my favourites collection. I'm so happy with how this vid turned out. If you enjoyed it, then please give it a thumbs up.